your framing of something like exercise is it something you get to do, or is it something that you have to do? And if it's something you have to do, I might be able to coach you through that have to framework. But if it can be something that I actually help you learn to enjoy and like doing, that's going to be a much more durable way of focusing on it. People who focus on exercise for losing weight or getting in shape or something like that, which are these sort of far-flung goals, that tends to not be as durable as, hey, let's find some activities that you really enjoy doing and that you get some kind of immediate benefit for it. So if I get to go for a walk in the afternoon, I'm more relaxed for the rest of my day or something like that. Or it's a treat because I live right by the Mississippi and it's beautiful there right now. So if I get to go for a walk, that's something pleasurable I get to do, as opposed to I have to go exercise now. And so if we can change how you frame something so that you are actually now looking for opportunities to do that kind of stuff, as opposed to I just dragged you kicking and screaming through it, then we're much less likely to see that sort of backsliding and things like that.